I have a small LED lamp here that runs of AC mains voltage, like 220, 240 volts. And this was $2. Here's the model number, Comtec 2000 INC, and yeah, LED panel, square, adjustable. I don't know what's adjustable about it. I've seen the electronics, that's not adjustable, so maybe it's dimmable, probably, or something like that. 420 lumens, 6 watts, so it's kind of efficient, but not really. And it's made by this, here's the website. And yeah, oh, 2 parts were missing, which I removed, like 2 of these clampy things meant to go there. These hold in the light, so this was meant for fake, what do you call that, for sheetrock, ceiling, fake ceiling, whatever. So you would basically cut a hole in it, put this in, and those 2 clamps would hold this into the hole, and you'd only see this facing downward. So yeah, I bought this as a reading lamp for someone, gift or something, but yeah, I'm going to take it apart now. First, I'll try my idea, what I wanted to do with the bigger light I got, to illuminate it, illuminate the paper from under it, and try to draw on it. So, this is a test for the LED, and also for my stupid idea. Let's plug it in, let's see how does the camera like it? Yep, pretty bright. And if I put the paper on it, yeah, it doesn't sit straight on it. I don't know how to fix that. That's bothering me. Yeah, and if I write on it, you can't see it. Yeah, if you bring the light all the way down, then you can. The light. Man, this is kind of stupid because it has a lag, and I wanted to put the other base for the E because it wasn't showing up as I was writing it. It kind of messes with your head, so I don't know how I would do this. Probably I'll have to use less brightness, so switch out the LEDs in the other light, and which I already did, but I'll have to make a separate video about it. So yeah, I think the idea is good, but I need a lower light, lower brightness. So okay, let's unplug it, and let me show you what's inside. Ooh, how can I zero this out? Oh, yeah, I got it. It's a brand new phone, and I haven't mastered the controls yet, but it's kind of intuitive. It's a Moto G34 5G, and yeah, it kind of does image stabilization and all kinds of wonderful things. So it kind of heated up just in the short period of time that I had it on. So yeah, I'm gonna show you one of the major problems with these lights. Not short-term problems, like you can start using these without a problem. But let me show you. Just take it apart. And here are the layers. This is a plastic light diffuser. This is glass or plastic. Oh, maybe this one is plastic. The bigger light I bought that had glass in it. So, and here's a paper under the contraption. And look, just like with the bigger LED, you have the LED strips going around, and right here, right over here, this LED doesn't make contact with the outer shell, so this will heat up more, a lot more than the other LEDs, which meet quite nicely with they are glued onto the outer casing. This also doesn't make contact in the corner, and yeah, they are mostly making contact. This one also doesn't. So in the four corners you have these LEDs that will burn out sooner. That's almost a guarantee. I don't know how to fix that. One solution maybe, because these are all wired like 4 LEDs in series and no, like 8 in series and 4 in parallel or 5 in parallel. So it's kind of a mixed wiring. So if one LED burns out here and here and here on the four corners, then it will start degrading very fast because, come on, autofocus. It will start degrading very fast because the voltages change for the, maybe it will just have a lower brightness, or maybe the other LEDs will start burning out because they will get more voltage or more amperage, something like that. It remains to be seen, because this one I will mount it as is. It will be a reading lamp. I will put it back together like that, and yeah. So yeah, long story short, my solution would be to put thermal glue into the corners, and that would slightly mitigate the problem, mostly mitigate the problem, but even thermal glue shouldn't be applied in such a thick way, so thick, like almost a millimeter. Well, maybe 1 millimeter should be fine. The distance is not bigger between the LED and the outer casing, so maybe fine. So yeah, I'm open to ideas. Leave the comments below. So what I want to do with this one, this will be under a shelf. So there's a shelf above a couch, and it's about right height for a reading lamp. So I can mount it on the bottom of the shelf. And yeah, for that I need to remove this. Yeah, it's connected with 2 wires here, which is not really optimal. So I will just disconnect this and use one of these flat cables. Bundle like 5 of the wires together, like this, 5 here and 5 there for the positive and negative, and have the voltage come through here, I mean the power, and mount the box like beside it, right under the shelf, and then it will be slightly more aesthetic than mounting it this way and just gluing this onto the like on the shelf like this, and it would be sticking out, and yeah, that would be not optimal. And yeah, I can't drill into the shelf, that's a no-go. So all solutions have to be external, and maybe 2 screws are allowed. Those are the rules. So yeah, I will probably do this solution so a thick cable won't raise the profile of this, and glue the frame. Just glue the frame to the bottom of the shelf, have this wire escape here, and connect the switch here and 220 volts from an outlet. And yeah, so long story short, all of these have this problem, the corners. Why do they put LED strips in the corners? Because you could also do it like cut the LED strip right here where it doesn't make contact anymore and skip the corner. Just put wires there or the PCB of the LED strip, so the LED strip shouldn't have LEDs here in the corner. It doesn't make much sense there anyway. In the corner, you just have to put LEDs on the sides. The corner doesn't add much. That's extra light that the corners generate, and they are not needed. I don't know if it's visible with the naked eye. I think the diffuser does a great job of straightening everything out, making it homogeneous or whatever. But yeah, so they should have skipped the LED in the corners. That's one thing they could have done. Or yeah, I don't know. These are all very cheap. So the big one that's 4 times bigger than this, that was just $4. This was $2, and the 4 times bigger one was 4. So yeah, let's see how they go. I will have to make another video like after 2-3 months, and maybe I'll take it apart again to see if the LED is blackened or if it failed or whatever. Because yeah, this had a very good design, so the non-electrical parts are excellently designed, like the casing, the frame, the light diffuser. They are all excellent. But when the worker puts in the LED strip, yeah, that gets less cooling in the corners, and this will surely fail. So if you know any solution how to fix this, it would prevent a lot of these getting thrown out like after 1 or 2 years of use. That's my estimation, that it should fail after like a year, because it will heat up more in the corners. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos about these LED lamps, and yeah, maybe more stupid ideas.